Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Friday again. Well, even if this week was arranged and was kind of ugly, we managed to make some money, which is really nice. Keep in mind how many news we had this week. Morning Node, morning Harry, hey Dave, hey Darren, hey Ivan, hey Peep, hey Adela, hey Dan, hey Andre, Andrea, Catalin, Simi, and Christian. Well, as I can see, regulars are here. Public will come later, not a problem. So, someone tell me if we have sound and if you see the image. Okay, let's start with Bitcoin. Thank you, Andre. Let's start with Bitcoin on CME as usual. What do we have here? Here we have a fight at 110. It's exactly what we have. We had some bearish divergence here. We had short our portfolios here because we had this divergence here. We had a smaller one here. Now we are fighting 110. It's a win or it's a loss. We'll accept below 110. I don't know. It's just fighting here. We have news today. We should be extra careful. Maybe we should stay completely on the sidelines. Hey, Nore. I think it's better to just watch from the side, just see what will happen. Then let the weekend cool off things and Monday to start over again. Yeah. But if you want to trade, well, that's up to you. I still recommend to trade 1 hour, 4 hour SFUs if you must trade. So one day, nothing special. If you look here on the other template, it's looking similar. What you can see better here is the lower highs and lower lows. High, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. For the moment, here it's a lower high, people. We are slowing down. We have support, but the structure is still bearish here. So if we have this structure, we'll wait. We can play this range. We anticipated this range at 110 and we played the range and we made money. But on daily chart, nothing special. Okay, let's take a look at Ethereum a little bit. Similar with Bitcoin, it's in a range. And we have 5 above, 4 below. Consolidating here, will hold for $1,000. Probably yes, if Bitcoin will be stable and will not break down. For the moment, we have a big range, 4 and 5K, $1,000 range, and here we have another range, a smaller one, which can be traded on 5-50-minute chart. Indicators on daily, well, warning signs on RSI. Don't chase here. If we don't see a clear W in 4,000 or maybe even lower, I don't see why we should think long on higher time frame or buy. We bought our Ethereum a lot lower. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, well, unfortunately, no bounce here. You can see, yeah, we can stay longer, but you can see the M testing the support, but no bounce, nothing. It's just staying there. Could slow down, could go and break down here and test 003. Yes. Pretty simple. That's a 50% retracement. And usually that will happen in 50% of the time. Yeah? It's possible, yes. So let's put the fib, not the fib, the level, because 50% is not a fib level. There you go. You can see confluence with support. Now let's see the time. Date. Let's start from the bottom until the, let's say, local top. How many bars? 60 3 days. There you go. Now let's take another one. And let's put 31. 31, 32. So we should touch this level. According to GAN, we should touch this level. Yeah, let's see where the fuck we have it. There you go. We should touch 50% around this time. Simple as that. So 50% rule says that we'll retrace 50% of the move in 50% of the time. Okay? It's possible? Yes. We can fuck around here, test the highs, test the lows, and be there. Doesn't mean has to happen. It's a general rule that usually markets retrace 50% of the initial move in 50% of the time. But if I'll see it here and I'll see W as well, say, well, retrace 50%, GAN did his job, give me a W and we can think long again. Simple. Could stay here and pump higher, will be a bit aggressive, but yeah. I'm hoping for a bounce here to push at least 38.2. But who knows? That will mean that this move is not over yet and we'll have to push all the way up here. Bitcoin dominance. We are trying to do a W on daily. Yeah, we love to see M's, but let's be real. We have a W here. It's September. Maybe Bitcoin will take some dominance back. Maybe, just maybe. It will be only to retest this level, just to say something like that. And then to break down. But it's possible. Yeah. 60% retrace, retest, sorry. It's normal. We broke down and now we want to retest the level. And then if this resistance will be strong enough, we'll break down again. Yes, exactly, Stefan. Exactly. Gold, strong, was in a range until wasn't in a range. I was hoping for SFUs here, SFU here. No, it's strong. We'll push all the way up here at my range level at the top. 25% deviation. Possibly. I don't see M's. I cannot call a top. I don't see a 3-bar fractal, a clear rejection. No. We'll go sideways. We'll consolidate. I don't know. Let's wait after the news today. Let's wait until Monday. Next week we'll find out more details. More candles means more details for us. Silver, stronger, and I'm waiting to see what will happen. Total market cap, fighting the same level like last week, fighting the same level like yesterday. Nothing I could say about it. If we'll hold this level, then yeah, we can have an aggressive AB equals CD. But September, but big players coming in, but they don't want to buy the top. They could drive the market back down to load their boats. Don't think they are bearish. No. They want the market down so they could load the boats. They will make money on the downside. They will manipulate the market. They will push it down if they can. They will short. They will make money. They will close the shorts and then they'll buy. And they will make money again on the upside after the drop. They have that power to manipulate the market, and guess what? They'll do it. Total 3, still fighting, still consolidating. You can see the volatility is getting out. We'll see what will happen. Shitcoins here. Well, shitcoins are exactly at the same level. If you want to see which one is stronger, like I did with comp, just do something like this. See the OBV. That's the tell for. You see something on Portal you like? You see something on Alt? You see something on Comp? Well, here you can see something is off. For the moment. SSV. Yeah. Yeah, nah, something is not okay. will probably stay in that fucking range for longer. But some coins, you can see this one is different. Why gold is different than comp, for example? Look at comp. We know the supply of comp. 10 million coins. Yeah? Why the OBV is looking so strong? Yeah? You can put OBV at work on weekly chart and you'll see the strength on some of them. Anyway, there are still good levels to dollar cost average, still good levels to invest. I still don't have daily, I don't know, new W's for us to trade. We are in some trades. That's nice. We made money, but nothing new. I don't have new setups, people. Let's go on lower time frame. Bitcoin. Well, in this ugly small range here, we cannot call it small, it's 5K, but anyway, we managed to make some money. But we didn't make money anticipating breakouts. We made money playing the range game and anticipating fake outs and play the range levels. As I already posted for VIP, careful here. Careful, really careful. Yeah, we had a nice bounce here. Yeah. Someone asked me about this W, I think Node was, and I said I don't like it that front run the 61.8. Guess what, Node? This level usually needs a retest just because front run 61.8. Yeah. Well, on higher time frame, on lower time frame, you can see the W, but I'll take the W above the long reload zone. No. It's aggressive. It's news driven. I don't know if I'm okay with not taking this W just because it's above the long reload zone. For me, usually it's a trap. Who took this trade? Okay, enjoy it. After the market accepted above this Monday high, okay, here was a trade, was something to take it. Take it after we closed back above. Straight up move, stopped in the short reload zone, rejected, back up. Let's see what we'll do now. But when I see double short reload zone, all I could say it's not a good idea to think long here. Yeah? As you like to see double long reload zone for your setups, and you'll say, well, look at this setup, how strong it is. Similar for short reload zone. Don't chase here. I'm not saying to short, blindly short, no. Some people will play the shark, some people will wait for an M, but I don't want to see people chasing here. And because we have news, and news that are pretty close, they will be exactly at the opening of the New York session, so we have the London session to play around. I don't recommend to open too many trades. I already posted 2 trades in premium and redirected to VIP. If you want to take them, take it with 0.5 or 1%. But more than that, I don't think it's a good idea. Okay. Ethereum. Weaker. Huh? We managed to go all the way down in the long reload zone. Well, Shark was the king again. Yeah, you can see Shark level. You should be risk free now because you have 1-to-1 until here. You don't care anymore if you manage to take the Shark. I saw a clear W here, but what's the problem with that W here? It's above neckline. It's above the long reload zone. I don't like it. Last night, I attempted to scalp this level, this inverse head and shoulder on 5-minute chart, and look what happened. We failed, we lost the level, stopped me out, and then we bounced. That's trading, people. 40%, at least 40% of my setups or my trades will go belly up. That's why we use clear risk management. Okay, what we can do on Ethereum here. Play the range game, people. If we come back down here, take the lows again, we can anticipate an SFU, maybe at this level. Careful, but yeah, it's possible. the best level possible for a long is this SFU of the Monday low. Important level. We watch this level from the from Monday. To short, not a good idea. SFU of this level and probably another shark trade. We can do another fib here. Pretty simple, people. Keep it fucking simple. There you go. Again, exactly like I said on Bitcoin. Double red, double short reload zone. If the market will SFU this level, you can see it's in confluence with shark here, shark here. You think it's a good idea to take this level? I think could be a nice short. Will the market push all the way up there? I don't know. Not up to me. The next level, if this one will fail, is SFU of the highs here. 4,500. It's possible in the news. For example, we don't know what will happen, but it's possible to push a big candle, SFU everything until here, and then straight down again. Yes. If you want to play that game, I recommend to take the first method of SFUing. Yeah? The limit order kind of thing. Yeah? Put the entry here. You don't need the pocket this time. You need the middle of the Monday range because you have the range already. Yeah, so entry here, take profit at the middle of the Monday range, and you calculate a 2 to 1 or a 3 to 1. It's up to you. Who understands what I just said could take the trade. Who doesn't understand, well, you should join Kappa 1, you should join Kappa 2 and learn. By the way, late registration will close next week. And we don't know when we'll open another session. Okay, so that's Ethereum. Clear range. We should play the range game. Because we have news, we should pay attention to the extremes of the range. Yeah, Monday high and Monday low in this case. Solana, fib pong, people. Fib pong. Clear fib pong here. Can you see it? We dropped. We bounced. Short reload zone. Yam or head and shoulder. Down. Mountain man. Bounce. We'll probably come back down to retest deeper in the long reload zone. Form a W, maybe test the lows, but it's clear range, clear fib pong. We had this trend line yesterday. When I saw that it's breaking down the other side, I said, well, we'll probably go in the long reload zone. There you go. It's realistic for a sharp scalper to make money in this range? Yes. But you have to be sharp. You have to be sharp. If you are not sharp enough, if you are not, I don't know, better than 99% of the traders, you don't stand a chance. It's doable, seeing the fibs being respected, see the trend lines being respected. It's feasible to take, I don't know, a 3-bar fractal here, to take this, see this inverse head and shoulder and anticipate a breakdown here and take a high risk to reward. I think yes. Solana is respecting the levels really nice. It's a gold mine for scalpers if they know what to do. For the moment, we'll see. Let's zoom out on a higher time frame, on 4-hour chart, to see the rest of the shitcoins. Tao, no bottom yet, he's trying. I don't want to trade Tao today before the news. Tia is trying, but we have location and some bullish divergence, that's it. Byte. I posted a trade for premium and VIP here on 1 hour. Is risky? Yes. It's good enough for us because I could anticipate a good risk to reward. Yes. Some bullish divergence here forming. Is risky? Yes, because look at this. We can test the lows in one candle. But we finally have a W in the middle of the long reload zone. The risk reward is good enough. Take it or ignore it. It's up to you. Okay. ENA. Similar. A trade here. You can see why I see a trade on ENA here. Well, first of all, we have on lower time frame, we have a long relow zone. This is a swing low, swing high on, let's say, 50-minute chart. There you go. Swing low, swing high. Long relow zone, bullish divergence here. You can see bullish divergence. And a nice W exactly with the neckline at a 61.8. Acceptable. Not the best, but acceptable. Could fail? Yes. These are the two trades I spoke about earlier. Byte and ENA. If I put, for example, a house level to give me some levels here. I didn't do that. Let's do it now. Come on. A bit lower. There you go. As I suspected. You see confluence here. This distribution had the target exactly here. We reached that and we should bounce here. Try to make these trades, if you take them, try to make them risk-free until the news. At least 50 minutes before the news. Okay? Okay. SSV. Let's zoom out again on 4-hour chart. Consolidating, but the location not good for me to chase. Hype. You can see this W hold for the moment, and this time here on 4-hour chart, hype looks stronger than the rest. Okay. What happened with Somi and Mito? Well, we'll get to those at the end node. So, hype. I could see an aggressive here, move up. Yes. I should take it. I'll wait after the news. I could take a retest if it's the case. Portal. Nice location on Portal. I'll admit that. Nice location. Close to 78.6. Give me a W in 78.6 area and I'll be more than happy to long. Alt. No? Is consolidating in the long reload zone. Well, let's adjust this one. And the shark level is really nice here. If you see a W on 4-hour chart here, I think that's a good area. I don't see the W yet, so let's wait. Ton is in the same level. Link weaker for the moment. Mito and Somi. Well, what happened with Mito and Somi? I don't know what happened fundamentally, but I know what people did. Yeah. So, someone point out this level, this W was a really small and nice one. I said, well, possible. Somi. Look at this. Similar. So, we managed. Mito was, I think, Achilles' idea. So, Somi was Achilles' idea. And the other one was Alexandru's idea. But the idea technically was really nice consolidation here and really nice risk to reward. And guess what? We managed to make nice money, really nice money. Taking this W, look at the pump. Similar here. Look at the W, look at the consolidation here, look at the pump. Yeah. I think Somi was Achilles' idea and Mito was from Alexandru. But both of them did really nice things. I saw them. I said the first one, well, maybe not for me, I'll wait. The second one, I said, well, let's try it because I'm a trader after all. And I took the trade and I made money. I was looking at this one also. Everyone is talking about it. And I didn't want to mention it until now. Guess why? Why I didn't want to fuck around? Why I didn't want to mention this one? You think I didn't know about it? Well, actually I was waiting for market to do something like this. When this one will go bullish. Now it's okay for me to speak about this one. Huh? When everyone was hyped out, well, we'll do and we'll make money, we'll go straight to the moon. No. I tried not to mention this one. And I saw that nobody was speaking about it, which just give me confidence in our community. When this one will become bullish again, a bull again. Well, probably, most probably, people. Nothing is 100% sure, but most probably need some time. Can you see it? So, could be a power of 3 here. If we'll accept above this level, breakout and retest, that will be a power of 3 on higher time frame. 1 hour, 4 hour chart. Or we can patiently wait for a W the other side of the trend line. Yeah? You saw that they have some things to resolve themselves. Yeah? Justin Sun is unhappy that he got his coin locked, which is not okay. If he was an early investor, you should give him access to his coin like on everyone other investors, and let him put the market down if he wants to sell. Nobody will trust this team if they did that. And Justin Sun is that guy that will make sure nobody will doesn't matter. If you don't put the rules for everyone, same rules, people will not trust. And Justin Sun has a lot of followers, a lot of influence, and he will keep repeating the message, and people will lose trust in this coin. Justin Sun is the guy who could destroy a coin like this. Has the power and has the money, this motherfucker. And to be honest, he was one of the smartest guys in crypto, if not the smartest one. Did a lot of things, shady things, but managed to get away every time. Who helped them? What was the deal behind the closed doors? I don't know. But he's he's the best, let's call it that way. I like Justin Sun. No, he's a motherfucker. He will sell you in the next second. But that doesn't, if I don't like him, that doesn't mean I should not consider him, I do not respect his power or his opinions. Okay? So, it's a marketing thing to keep, to put Justin Sun to mention this coin over and over again. Could be, but in that case, we'll see the power of 3 here. Technically, 2 options for me. Lower and then a daily W, sideways and pump and a power of 3, or most probably LJ here. Okay? Well, I'm talking about Binance because Binance is Binance. It's still Binance, people. Binance is still one of the strongest ones. Everyone is waiting for listing on Binance, not on Bitget. That's why I consider important that level where they started on Binance. I could consider a coin is serious in mainstream when it's listed on Binance. No? I'm not saying that's the bottom. No. But that's a power of 3. Already we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points here to tell us that this is a support and resistance level, and this was a range, this was manipulation, and this could be expansion. Okay? Okay, people. Well, I need to go. I have something else to do in 20 minutes. Let's keep it short. Shitcoins, nothing special here. Calendar, you can see we talked about the news. We talked too much even. Yeah. Exactly at the opening of the New York session, not the stock market, New York session, we have no NFP and unemployment, which should be respected as news and stay the fuck out. Nothing special on Twitter. Not too many people are retweeting these days. Just the regulars. So thank you, regulars. But, well, in the top will be different. You know how they all do it. This is the tell. When I see only regulars here and nobody else retweeting, I know that people are not interested in the market. When I see everyone reposting and saying, well, you guys are the best. Last day, I'll close with that. Last day for VIP registration. So, if you want VIP, DM Stefan today, because tomorrow, actually at the end of the day, in the middle of the night, we'll close the registration and you'll have to wait until next month. Yeah? I don't know how many places are still free. Stefan knows that. But you can DM Stefan today. Ask him if he'll accept you in VIP and join us. If you are capable of day trading, if you are not capable of day trading, don't join VIP, because that's about day trading mostly, 90% of the time. That being said, let's call it a live stream. See you in New York session, people. I really need to go. Bye bye.